the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
The EAS will provide emergency warnings. This station serves the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. We now join the following program in progress.
Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share.